Welcome to Profit Buzzers. Well, time for an NDTV Profit exclusive. Some details coming in from one of the most awaited IPOs. I'm talking about NSE. Charu, what are you picking up?
Hi, so as per some sources privy to the matter, NDTV Profit has been told that the number of shareholders of India's leading stock exchange, National Stock Exchange, have hit the 1 lakh mark. However, many of them remain in some sort of stuck position or in limbo because they are eagerly waiting for approval on the NSE IPO. So as per some sources that NDTV Profit spoke to, most of them have been looking forward to the IPO but wonder why the right approvals have not come in place. We must also consider the fact that it has now become one of the largest companies with about 4 to 5 lakh crore in market cap, however does not have the approvals for the IPO. Other things that we have come to know is that on Feb 28th a letter was released by SEBI to NSE highlighting several reasons against the IPO that NDTV Profit had reported on. However, as per top sources, most of these issues have been resolved, and there is a hope that the remaining ones can be looked into through disclosures in the DRHP, and currently most of the shareholders also associated with the exchange are looking forward to the same.